Okay, so um, Vanna used the fraction strip shown to help her determine the difference between 5/6 and 1/4. On here, this word difference means that we're going to subtract. We have this fraction strip here, and so I want to show you how to use a fraction strip. So when you look at this, you can immediately tell what the fraction is going to be. So there's 2 pieces in this row right here. There's 3 here. Okay. There's 4. You can put a 4 here. There's 6 here. There's 8. Okay. And then these are 12s. And what you can do on all of these is you can just put a 1 over the top of these to make it a fraction. And if you were to count each one of these, this is how you would determine what what denominator these are. Okay, so this is 1 over 12, right? And all the way down, this is 1 over 8. This is 1/6. This is 1/4. This is 1/3. And this is 1/2. Okay, next you're going to go and you're going to look at your fractions here, and you have a 6 and you have a 4th. These are denominators, and both of these denominators are on like. So you have to find the like denominators for these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the 6 and I'm going to shade in or draw around 5/6. Because if I was to do a fraction over all of this, this is 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to the fourths, and my numerator is a 1. And so I'm going to go to the fourths, and I'm going to shade over 1/4. Well, now I'm going to go and I'm going to look at this for something that is equivalent. And if I go over here, I'm looking at these lines. If I go up, there's no line or fraction that ends right here. So I'm going to go down, and I notice that 12s are equivalent. So if I draw around these 12s, this represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12s. So I'm going to turn my 5, 6 into 10 over 12. Okay, because it's equivalent. It's the same amount. This line here goes right straight through here. So it's 10 of those. Next, I'm going to go over to my 4th, and I'm going to use a different color. And I'm going to find something that is equivalent. If I go up, there's nothing that goes straight down. I do have 8ths, but if I put an 8 over here, that's not going to make, I'm not going to be able to do the difference because they're on like denominators. So I keep going down, and I notice that 1/4 is also equivalent to 1, 2, 3 12ths. So I'm going to write 3 12ths here. And now my denominators are the same. So now I can go and do the difference between 5/6 and 1/4. And 10 minus 3 is 7. And my denominator stays the same. So my answer to this problem is 7 12ths. Now, if you keep, this problem was a problem that was on our common assessment. It has the problem right here. You could just go and do standard algorithm and do a T-chart and get the denominators to be the same, or you could use the bow tie method. But if you want to learn how to do it with the fraction strip, this is all you have to do. You find the equivalencies, you turn those fractions into its equivalent, and you do the operation that it says. If you have questions, rewatch this video.